Hello everyone, welcome to Paranormal and Spiritual World. Today we'll talk about it why it is important to teach religious and spiritual teachings to your children. In today's 21st century, people are all running after urbanized things, they are all running after materialistic things. Each and every child who is growing up is either learning about gadgets or learning about materialistic stuff or learning about how to run these stuff, how to earn money through these sources, and there is no spiritual awakening, there is no religious pursuits in them. If you try to talk to any child, they know each and everything about computers, laptops, mobile phones, gadgets. They know everything about luxury, about cars. But when it comes to God, when it comes to their own religion, when it comes to the religion, customs, rituals, they don't know anything. They say that it's the big thing is the thing for the older people, is the thing for the too much religious people. It's not for them because they have never been taught regarding that, the importance of these religious scriptures, spiritual talks. Everything has gone into vain, you can say. And even parents are not interested to teach their kids about the same. They think that this society, this everything runs through money only and through materialistic assets only, so we should focus more on that. We should make our children more materialistic, more practical. But they forget the fact that by making them too much logical, too much practical, too much materialistic, they can even disobey you, they can even betray you, they can even deceive you for the same. And today this is what also happening in all the families. Children grow up, their whole life is surrounded by materialistic things, materialistic stuff, earning money, and this, for this money only, for property, for land, for lust, they deceive their parents. They kick out their parents into old age homes or on streets. They do not have any emotional value of their parents. They think that they are just some kind of bearer check which they will be you can say using till they get mature, and even after that. And there is a lack of emotional love, there is lack of that affection towards the parents. And at that moment when parents face all these situations, they face betrayal, they question themselves that why this happened to them only, why their children are like that, why they have been betrayed by their own children. But they do not realize the fact that your own teachings are responsible for this, because the value of love, the emotions, the value of human beings, the value of brotherhood can only be seen in religious scriptures, can only be read in religious books, can only be understood in our own religious customs, which have been coming since a very long time from our ancestors. And even in the past, that's why they have been so much focused on reading scriptures, on knowing our religion, or understanding the rituals, in order to make a person more a human being, full of humanity, having spiritual awakening, having insights about the God, having this ideology in mind that I will not do any bad karma to anyone. I will do good deeds so that I can create good consequences for my life. I can create a better future not only for me but for the whole world. So the people in the earlier times used to think about themselves as well as the society, about their own instead of just about their own life. But today everything is changed. Everyone is just focusing on their own self, on their own life. Even under one roof, each and every member is separate, with separate thinking, with separate selfish interest. They are only together till the money is there, till their wishes and needs are being fulfilled. Otherwise nobody will take care of anyone if they will be independent enough to earn for their own. So that is the crude reality which we are teaching today to the children. It is really really important to make them understand about the religion, about the spiritual things, about the God, about the law of karma, about the good and bad. And then only you can attain a good human being, instead of making only high profile doctors or high profile earning businessmen or accountants. Try to make a very good human being who has a golden heart. So that can only be achieved when he or she will have that spiritual knowledge, that religious knowledge, that awareness of the customs and rules and regulations of their religion, the morality, and all this can be attained from the start itself, from the when the child is growing up. You have to do this from the start itself. If you will think that we will wait for the right time, or when they will grow up, at that time we will try to teach them, that will be too late for them to actually learn these things, because they will be so much influenced by materialistic things that they will either not believe on this thing, or they will think that all these things are myth. Today a lot of generation is considering religious scriptures and as myth. They do not have any spiritual awakening, they are not close to God, they are doing all the bad karmas, they are eating non-veg, they are killing people, they are fighting, they are bullying, they are into harassment, they are drinking alcohol, they are doing all the bad activities which anybody could do, and they do not care about the consequences, they do not care about the outcomes of their karma, because they do not have any spiritual awakening, they do not have any religious pursuit, they do not have any aim towards the God, because they haven't been taught regarding the same. And today when they have all been spoilt, now when the parents try to teach them, they do not care about it, because their mind is already been cropped up by materialistic assets, money, lust, greed. Now there is no space left for spiritual growth. So it is really important to teach spiritual growth, religious awakening, try to and make them understand about the importance of their own religion, about the teachings of the saints from the start itself, from the age of growing. At that time the mind is free, and the more positive teachings you will be giving to your children, the more generous they will become. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I've already uploaded this video in Hindi language. You can browse the same from the below link. Thank you so much.